Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I'm excited to tell you about a new monthly creative card class that I'm going to start up in June. The classes will consist of 4 cards, and they'll be all prepared for you to make, and they'll focus on a stamp set or bundle that I want to for the month. They'll include all the pieces for the cards, but they will not include the bundle. That's just in case you already have it or something. If you're a demonstrator, you can buy it yourself. If you have a different demonstrator, buy from them, and you'll also be able to purchase it from me when you order the class. For June, I'll be focusing on the Kintsugi Inspirations suite. And that's a centuries-old Japanese technique of repairing broken pottery with gold, and it honors beauty and imperfection. So I really like that, and the designer series paper is gorgeous that goes with it. This is going to be a $40 class. Shipping is included, and with the class, you'll get all the things cut and scored and everything you need to make these beautiful cards. This first one, you can see this is from the designer series paper, and it just cuts out bowls and vases. This, you're gonna really wanna get this embossing folder that's beautiful with this. And that's card number 1. Mainly the embossing folder I love. This is really cute too. It's a kimono, and it's just a fun fold that you'll open, and just has a small place to put your note inside. Okay, and the third one, let me put this back on. There you go. The third one is, I just love the color Lost Lagoon. It's got some of the embossing on the bottom, and then I did a little bit of heat embossing with one of the veins to show that. And this is actually fairly simple card, but really pretty. The last one is a fan card. These have been real popular now, and I just used the lovely designer series paper again. The stamp set and dies are not included with the kit. You can, if you're a demonstrator, you'll want to order those yourself, or you can order it through your regular demonstrator, or this will be on my shop so that you can order this bundle from me if you'd like to. So you will need that to complete the cards. Let me show you what else I'm giving you. So you get the card kit, and then you're going to get $25 in product. And I'll show you what you're getting this month. You'll get 6 sheets of the designer series paper. It's called Kintsugi Inspirations. And this is like so beautiful, and the dies cut out all these, even these flowers. So you'll get that one, and this one's I love too. It's hard to cut these up. They're so pretty. This one's beautiful, and these 3 are a little plainer, but you can't really call them plain. They're so pretty. And then the backs all coordinate with them. Isn't that great? So you'll get these 6 sheets. You're also going to get a package of flower accents, and 1 little sheet of dimensionals, and a roll of this cloud cover. Let me see, 3/8 inch linen ribbon. And that's I like this ribbon a lot because it's really soft and the color's gorgeous. So that's what you'll get in there. The deadline to sign up for this class is June 10th, and then I'll ship everything out by the 20th. So please hop on over to createwithcheryl.me, go under Shop with Me, that's kind of at the top of the blog, and look for monthly creative card class. And in there you'll sign up for the class, and you also see the where you get a chance to order the bundle too if you don't already have it. Okay, thanks for your time. Aloha.